Assalamu alaikum grade 4 children. Today in this video children, teacher is going to teach you the grammar topic antonyms and synonyms. Children, in grade 3 we have already learned what are antonyms and what are synonyms. Antonyms, they are the opposite words children. For the opposite, the other word, it is antonyms. These words, they are opposite to each other. For example, up, down, then soft or the smooth, we can say rough or smooth. And some of the antonyms or some of the opposites to children, we are just adding IR or ILL, ill, FUL, full, in the end FUL, full, LESS, less, and we are making that word antonyms, or we are making the opposite words. For example children, here FUL, full, we will take the example. See here, if the word is harm, we are adding full, harmful, and for the harm only if we will put in the end LESS, less, harmful, harmless. This is the example of that full and less. Here for the IR children, what is the example of that? It is rational, irrational. ILL, ill, legible, illegible. Now come on, we will see first of all the definition. See here, first line, we have already learned about antonyms and synonyms. Let us learn more about them in detail. Antonyms. What are antonyms children? Words that are opposite in meaning are called antonyms. Which are the opposite words? They are known as antonyms. Example children, rough, smooth. See the two sentences. The bark of the old tree was rough. We found many smooth rocks in the river. So here rough and smooth, they are the opposite of each other. Here the formation of antonyms. कैसा बनाते antonyms? So some antonyms are also formed by adding prefix and suffix. What is prefix? Word से पहला अगर हमने कुछ ऐड किया ना, जो कोई भी वर्ड है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल IR और ILL, ill, so they are prefix. And what is suffix children? Word के बाद, example we have taken in the beginning only, teacher says if you are taking the example harm, harm से जो है harm के बाद में FUL, full लगाएंगे और harm ही के बाद में LESS, less लगाएंगे. So they are the opposite of each other. So they are prefix and suffix. Pre means पहले, suffix means बाद में. So here antonyms, see, some antonyms are also formed by adding prefix and suffix. Antonyms with prefix. Example, adding IL. Then it is legible to part the car here. Example, may IR, when we add the IR, what the opposite word? An irresponsible attitude creates problems. Responsible and irresponsible, they are opposite to each other. Then some antonyms are formed by changing the suffix. Example, adding FUL. It was very thoughtful of you to invite him for the picnic. So adding LESS, less. See what this meaning will change. How the meaning will change. It is very thoughtless of you to not inviting him to the party. Here thoughtful and thoughtless, they are opposite of each other. They are the antonyms words. Some of the more examples, children: harmful, harmless, faithful, faithless, painful, painless, fearful, fearless, then tasteful, tasteless, thoughtful, thoughtless, joyful, joyless. They are the example of what? Suffix or prefix? They are suffix. Understand? Now children, another it is that synonyms. What are the synonyms? Synonyms, they are the similar words. They are not opposite of each other. Here antonyms, they are opposite. These words, they are opposite of each other. They are having the same meaning but the other word. Well, see here the example they have given. What it is, children? See here, here you will take this example, children. The student and people. For the student we can say pupil. For the students we can say pupil. And woman and lady, we can say both lady or woman. Then we can say roof or ceiling. घर की जो छत होती है ना, उसको roof भी बोलते हैं और ceiling भी बोलते हैं. So the words which are similar meaning, same meaning, but the spelling they are different, and words also absolutely they are different from each other, but having the same meaning, they are known as the synonyms. So we will see the definition of synonyms over here. Words that have the same or similar meaning are called synonyms. See, one more time teacher will read. Words that have the same or similar यानी एक जैसे meaning are called synonyms. Some examples of synonyms over here: try, attempt. Try करना, attempt करना दोनों एक जैसा है. Build, construct. City, town. Emperor, king. Minimum list. Talk, converse. Enough, sufficient. Look, glance. Look यानी देखना, glance करना मतलब भी देखना बच्चों. Allow, permit. Permit करना यानी इजाजत देना, allow करना. Joins, unite. Trust, believe. Ask, it is what, children? Inquire. Popular, well. Liked by all, then liked by all, then clever, smart. Affectionate, loving. Error means mistake. Error बोलो या mistake, meaning is same. Then broad, both चौड़ा and wide, they are same. Then fast, hurry. Thin, slender. Okay children, so they are the cylinder. They are the synonyms. Now in tomorrow's class, children, teacher will say more about this. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.